Hi, I'm going to show you a Popplet I made about cells. First I'll zoom in, and then I'll zoom out. And you can see that I made a lot of connections between the words and pictures in this Popplet. Now I'm going to go to presentation mode and start with organisms. Living things are called organisms. Organisms can be plants or animals. Organisms are made up of cells, which are the smallest unit of living things that is alive. Organisms can be single-celled or unicellular, or they can be made up of many specialized cells or multicellular. Cells are found in both animals and in plants. Cells have smaller parts within them called organelles. Organelles are designed to carry out specific functions within the cell. Plant and animal cells have many of the same organelles. For example, they both have a cell membrane, a dual-layered, semi-permeable layer of lipid molecules. The cell membrane contains and holds the other organelles together within the cell. The cell's cytoskeleton, made of microfilaments and microtubules, gives the cell its shape and plays a role in intercellular transport and organizes cell division. Cytoplasm is the jelly-like material inside the cell in which the organelles float around, with the exception of the nucleus. All cells have a nucleus. This is the brain of the cell. It contains genetic material that controls cell activities and cell reproduction. Within the nucleus is the nucleolus, which contains the nucleic acids and proteins involved in cell reproduction. Outside of the nucleus, we find the endoplasmic reticulum, or ER, which makes up half of the cell membrane. Smooth ER stores enzymes. Rough ER has ribosomes attached. Ribosomes are little bumps, basically, on the endoplasmic reticulum, which build proteins and fats, which are sent to the Golgi apparatus. The Golgi apparatus is a series of membranes involved in building and storing and transporting complex molecules through transition vesicles into the cytoplasm and out of the cell through the cell membrane. Mitochondria are thought of as the cell's powerhouse. They generate energy for the cell using sugar, oxygen, and protein complexes that are used throughout the cell. Plant cells have several unique features. First, plant cells have a rigid cell wall. Let me go back. That gives skeletal support to the plant. Plant cells also have chloroplasts, which are responsible for photosynthesis, the process by which the plant cells use the sun's energy to convert carbon dioxide and water into sugars used as food for the plant. Chloroplasts give plants their green color. Plant cells also have large vacuoles, which store nutrients, break down wastes, and give the cell its shape. In animal cells, lysosomes serve as the cell's waste disposal system. They digest old and unwanted molecules in the cell. Animal cells also have centrioles, which are made of microtubules. Found near the nucleus, they help with cell division. Cells are fabulous living components of all organisms that work hard to keep us healthy and alive. Now, if I exit presentation mode and go home, you can see that I have taken the lines out and I have put these in random order. See if you can arrange them, group them, connect them in ways that make sense to you. Have fun.